So my dear students, today we start chapter number 9, and in this chapter we will study about the very important book which is known as Book of Original Entry. And in this book of original entry, which is known as journal, book of journal, we record all the transactions from the document or from any other rough book or waste book which we have already prepared. We take the help of the source documents, and with the help of those source documents where all the transactions are already recorded, we record them in the book of journal, and we give them proper debit and credit to different accounts so that later on they can be transferred to different ledgers, right? So this book of journal is very important. This book of journal is very, very important. All the students are seen to me in my screen. What you are doing, how you are sitting. No movement, please. Be seated at your proper place and listen. Unless you listen the lecture properly, you will not be able to solve the questions. You will not be able to go through properly. Whatever points you find important, note it down either in the book or in a notebook. You are not robots just sitting and listening. Use the lecture, use important points. All those who are remaining absent will find it very difficult later on. Your online schooling attendance will be a major point in your promotion criteria. When you are going to be promoted in the next class, this attendance is also going to play an important role. Mind it. Okay, proceeding with our chapter. What do we do in this book? In this book, in the book of journal, we record the transactions in a chronological order. What is chronological order? Chronological order means date wise. We record the transactions in a proper sequence, date wise. All the transactions, whether it is cash transaction, whether it is credit transaction, or any other sort of transaction, purchase of asset, purchase of goods, right? Payment of expenses, receipt of income, all transactions will be recorded in the book of journal. And from this book, when the accounts are properly debited or credited, from this book we transfer those transactions into different ledgers, So this book, preparation of this book, if this book is prepared wrong, if this book is if you make wrong entries in this book, the other books which you prepare from this book will also go wrong, So you have to take proper care, attention in preparing this book, The format of journal, the way you will prepare the journal in your notebook, fair notebook, I am going to explain you, and I will also explain in what column, what are the things to be done. So see properly. This is our actual format of journal. And as you can see, in this format, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns of different width, and you have to make the width accordingly. You cannot change the width as per your convenience. It is the proper format. The width of this, this and this should be almost equal, and this one should cover at least 70% of the total space. This one, this is the smallest one, thinnest, and this is, I will tell you the format. These are the 5 columns, and in the column number 1, we write the date of the transaction. We write year once like this. (2018) or 19 or 15 or 16, the year will be written once, and then we will write the different dates of the transactions. 1st of February, 2nd of February, 4th of February, 7th of February. We will write dates here. Column number 2 is for particulars. And one more thing, whenever you write date, it should be in a chronological order, in the increasing order. First you will write the first date, then second, then third, fourth, fifth, and so on. You will not write 5th of February first and then 2nd of February afterwards. Dates should be in a order, in a sequence. Number 2, particulars. In this particular column, we write the name of the account. Which is either debited or credited. We write both account here, debit also and credit also. We write both the accounts, debit account also and credit account also. After writing here debit account and credit account, and how do we write? Suppose there are two accounts. Cash account and purchase account. Suppose there are two accounts, cash account and purchase account, out of which purchase account is debit. So first of all, we will write the debit account. And how we will write? Close to this line, we will write purchase account, and here, close to this line here, we will write DR, debit. Purchase account, in front of it we will write DR, debit. And the second account is cash account, which is credited. So we will leave some space here. And we will write here 2 first, and then we will write cash account. उसके बाद amount we have to write in the fourth column. We will write the amount, and in the fifth column we will write the amount. What amount? This amount. Purchase account. Suppose we have purchased goods of 50,000, then we will write purchase account 50,000 and cash account 50,000. Those who have been joining the classes regularly, they know that always debit amount is equal to credit amount. debit account is equal to credit account. In double entry system, every transaction affects at least two accounts, and the two accounts which are affected by the same amount always. Amount is always equal. So when purchase account is debited by 50,000, cash account is credited by 50,000. So in this two column, first is debit amount and second is credit amount. We write amount. What about this one? LF. It is LF, ledger folio. Ledger folio. FOLIO. Ledger folio means page number. Page number of the ledger. Page number of the ledger means, you see, this purchase account to cash account. This is a transaction. ये transaction है that goods are purchased and the entry is made here in the book of journal. But when we will transfer this entry to our ledger, so we will transfer it on a page number. We will transfer it on a particular page of the ledger. We will write the number of that page. Suppose 10. Suppose it is written here 10. Here on column number 3, it is written 10. So everybody can understand that this entry, purchase account debit to cash account, this particular entry is transferred to ledger page number 10. So you will directly go to page number 10 and you will find this entry there. When it will be transferred from here to that particular page. So these are the 5 columns. This is the actual format. Whenever you will prepare in the fair notebook, you will use full page, and in that full page you will write these 5 columns according to this ratio. The ratio should be same. This column, and this column number 1, column number 4 and column number 5 should find same space. The width should be same almost, and this one should be the maximum. This one, it should cover at least 70% of the space. 70% space it should cover. 70%. Okay, so this is the format of journal. Anybody want to ask any question regarding, you can ask, because many of you are joining for the first time, and already I have sent the message. Already I have called many parents, inform them that if your child does not join the classes regularly, you will be responsible for your child's result. It is for sure. Many of the students are still joining, right? Many of the students are still joining. Today I am allowing, but tomorrow onwards I would be very, very strict. I will call your parents. Very soon there will be parent-teacher meeting also. Very soon there would be parents-teacher meeting also. And your parents will be asked about your performance, how you are doing, why you are not joining, or if you are joining, whether they know it or not. Simultaneously, I am taking the attendance also. Your presence on the screen is also your attendance, and there is one more column in my screen for the attendance. I have taken it from there also. That is why I am saying you should be always on. The cameras should always be on so that you are visible on the screen. Sanjana, keep yourself visible. And Jagraj, you should always be seen on the screen so that teacher can also see whether you are listening properly, whether you are paying attention, doing something or not. So you should always be on the screen. Cameras should always be on. I have already sent you the online class rules. Again, today watch them properly and follow all the instructions. You should be properly dressed. You should be sitting at a proper place. There should not be any disturbance. Otherwise, immediately I will remove you from the class. Camera should not move. You should be at one place, right? Before joining the class, 15 minutes before the class, you should make each and every arrangement. This is serious class going on. It is for your good. It is not a joke going on. Properly dressed, everyone should be properly dressed. Be respectful in the class. Whenever you have to say something, as told, you have to raise your hand like this. Only raise your hand, don't speak. Only speak when teacher allows you, asks you something. Most of the time you have to listen. On Saturdays, every Saturday, we will have a problem solving class. In that, you can ask as many problems. You can message me your problems, your questions. But in class, try to be patient, try to listen more. The more lectures you listen, the more easier it would be for you to solve your questions. So this was general, and how you will post the entries in this, I have also told you. Whatever account is debited, it will be written first, and in front of that you will write debit, DR. DR stands for debit. And next line, you will leave some space. This space you will leave, and you will write the word to. This word to indicates that this particular account is credited. This particular account is credited. After that, you will write the name of the account and then the amount. After this, we will write a narration. We will write a narration in a bracket. Narration means you will write in brief the description of that particular transaction. In brief, you will write description of that particular transaction like this. Purchased goods for cash. So anybody can understand, right? One who does not have a commerce background also, with this sentence, he or she can make out what it is. How, किसके बारे में है ये? So very simple. In very short, you write the description of that particular transaction which you have written here. After this, after completion of one transaction, you will draw a dotted line like this. Dotted line, which means to say that this transaction is over, and now we move on to the next transaction. Move to the next transaction like this. Are you getting? फिर आपकी जो है next transaction, you can write here, suppose 2nd of Feb. We will not write year again and again. Year will be written only once, and then you will write date. Then the next transaction, complete it, draw the line. Okay? So everybody is on the screen. I will take your screenshot also and the attendance also. Oh, 1 minute. Anybody else want to ask anything? Then how you transfer entries in this book of journal? For that, we have to follow rule of debit and credit. We have to follow rule of debit and credit. Keep in mind this particular word known as clear, C-L-E-A-R, where C stands for capital, L stands for liability, E stands for expenses, A stands for assets, R stands for
revenue income
or income. C stands for capital, please note it down. L stands for liability. E stands for expenses and losses. A stands for assets. साहेबदीप, देवांग, जसनजीत, श्रुति, इसिका, कुशप्रीत, your videos are off and you are not following the rule. I will kick you out of the class. Again and again, I will not tell you. If you want to be in the class, just follow the rules. Saibdeep. So tomorrow I will explain you the rule of debit and credit, the rule of debit and credit, so that you can generalize the entries and write them in proper format. Write them in proper format. Tomorrow I will explain you that rule of debit and credit, and I hope you all will join from tomorrow. Be regular. Many of you have joined first day today. It is never too late, but you have missed many classes. Already we have finished 8 chapters. This is the 9th one going on. Many of you have yet not started your studies and you are not taking it seriously. And you will have to suffer later on. You will have to cover up. You will have to cover up and see that you are updated and get your notebooks also checked time to time, because many of you have not yet started, as I have come to know. So please see that it is done, my dear students. I am your class teacher this year, and any problem, any sort of confusion, any sort of queries you have, you can ask me. From tomorrow, your class timing is changed from tomorrow, your class timing will be 10 a.m. Sharp 10 a.m. Your class will start. Okay, and it will be from 10 to 11 almost. After finishing one class, immediately we will start another class. Means ये class आपकी लगभग 40 minutes की होती है. And after 35 minutes, I will start the class again. I want to take at least 50 to 55 minutes of class. Okay, so we will. I want to cover. I want to give you more because many of you have been very late. So take care of yourself. All those who have still not joined, please tell them that join the classes and be regular. Be regular. All of you will get your notebooks checked. Accounts, business. You will get your notebooks checked by bringing them to me at my home. Bringing them to me at my home personally. And I will sign it and your work will be updated. This work, this class work and your attendance in your online schooling classes will be a major criteria for your promotion in the next class. So be very, very clear about it. अपनी copies में work complete करके, update करके, just get it checked also. Every week, at least once, you will get your notebook checked. Up to chapter number 3 in business and up to chapter number 8 in accounts. On record, I have told you about your work. On record, today I have told you about the work. So get it checked. Time 12 to 2. 12 to 2 you can come and get your notebook checked. Only this time, 12 to 2. Don't come anytime. All of you have got it? Raise your hand. All of you have listened it? All of you have listened it? Raise your hand. Whatever is told to you. Let me check the other screen also. Everybody has got it? Okay. Nice. Sanskar. Jasanjeet is also not there, still not. Others, Dheeraj, Bilal, Prince Rotela, sit properly. In middle of the camera. Don't lie down. Very good. Sonu Yadav has joined for the first time. Nice. Kus Piplani, where are you? Okay, Vyom has joined. Nice. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain you about the. Now we have everyday class and our classes will be regular. Always every day 10 a.m. Accounts, business, account like that. We will see which requires more and attention. Keep writing in your notebook. Keep your work updated so that you need not have any trouble afterwards. Okay? You don't have to face any sort of inconvenience later on. Don't come with the work together. You all are local. You can come anytime, but between 12 to 2 p.m. So your notebooks, get it checked and keep yourself safe. Those who have not joined today also, please tell them to join classes from tomorrow regularly, because we have around 15 chapters in account, 15 to 16 chapters in account for the half yearly, 15 to 16 chapters. And we have almost come halfway. I hope you will be regular from tomorrow and tell your friends also and follow the rules of online schooling strictly from tomorrow. You are already following. I'm very happy that you all are looking very interested in the classes and very attentively you are listening, which is a nice thing to see. In this way, we will definitely run the classes smoothly and benefit ourselves. So goodbye for now. Take care of yourself and God bless all of you.